Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine. This is our first lecture of maths for class 9th. Today our topic is algebraic manipulation. Unit number 6. In this unit we will first deal with finding SCF and LCM of algebraic expression by factorization and long division. Then by using SCF and LCM we will simplify fractional expression. Toward the end of the unit, finding square root of algebraic expression by factorization and division are discussed. First of all, we will learn about SCF and LCM. What is SCF? SCF stands for highest common factor. If two or more algebraic expressions are given, then their common factor of highest power is called the SCF of the expression. To understand the definition of highest SCF, we have an example. Find the SCF of 8xy and 4x. First of all, we will find the factor of 8xy and 4x. 8xy is equals to, the factor of 8 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x multiplied by y. The next one is 4x. The factor of 4 is 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4 multiplied by x. The common factor of both expression is 2 and x. Common factors is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x. 2 2s are 4. 4 multiplied by x is 4x. So the SCF is 4x. The next one is LCM. LCM stands for least common multiple. If an algebraic expression P of x is exactly divisible by two or more expressions, then P of x is called the common multiple of the given expression. The least common multiple LCM is the product of common factors together with non-common factors of the given expression. To understand the definition of LCM, we have an example. Find the LCM of 12x square y and 6xy. First of all, we will find the factors of 12x square y and 6xy. 12x square y is equals to, what is the factor of 12? The factor of 12 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Multiply by x multiply by x multiply by y. The next is 6xy. What is the factor of 6? The factor of 6 is 2 multiply by 3 multiply by x multiply by y. Now we take the common factors. The common factor is 2, 3, x and y. Common factors is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x multiplied by y, which is equals to 2 3s are 6. 6 multiplied by x is 6x. 6x multiplied by y is 6x y. X y. Now we take the non-common factors. non common factors, which is equals to 2 multiplied by x. 2 multiplied by x is 2x. The LCM is equals to product of common and non-common factors. Common factors multiplied by non-common factors. Common factor is 6xy multiplied by non-common factor is 2x. 6xy multiplied by 2x. The answer is 6 2s are 12. X multiplied by x is x square and y. So the LCM is 12 x square y. Students, hope so you understand this lecture. Now you can do the question number 1 on your notebook. Find the HCF of the following expression, part 1 and part 2. Practice these questions also and write on your notebook. Okay students, Allah Hafiz, have a nice day.